Hello, print reading specialists. Today we're going to take a look at drawing D11. This is a shaft support. It's a bracket, it's a casting, it's been machined, or it needs to be machined, and we're going to take a look at this print. First thing I want to point out is a counterbore. Right here, this information indicates that there are a counterbore, and there's actually 4 of them. One here, 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 and here. We can tell there's 4 of them because of this 4x. Remember, if we look at our rules for dimensioning, 4x refers to the quantity of how many items there are that are exactly the same. So in this case, 4 of them. Tells us the diameter here of the through hole, that's the hole that goes all the way through, is 0.34. We can see that up here with this hidden line that shows the smaller of the 2 diameters for these holes. You see the matching set over here. This symbol is a counterbore symbol. It tells us the diameter of the larger of the 2 holes. In this case, it's a diameter of 0.5. And this symbol is a depth symbol that tells us how deep the counterbore is, and this is 0.32. And we can see that clearly here. We have a larger hole that has a certain depth, and then we have a through hole. So that's the counterbore. Here we have a center line. That is line B. You'll notice there's a little equal sign here, equal sign here. Those are symmetry lines. When placed on a center line, it indicates that each side of that center line, in this case left and right, are symmetrical. Remember, symmetrical means they are the same or a mirror image of each other. Over on the right side view, we clearly see our keyway. Our keyway has a depth and a height. We can see that keyway goes all the way through the part here in this view. We see the 2 hidden lines. We can also, if we project up and over, we can also see the keyway here. This keyway would be for a rectangular key or a square key. A key, remember, is a thing that would either allow us to align something or give us a weak point for something to shear off to not damage something else. In this case, this keyway would be for alignment because of the 4 bolts that would hold it in place. Up here in this cross section, and remember, we've cut this here. We're looking towards the right or uphill because that's where our arrows are. We place the section up here. That's showing the cross section or what would happen if we cut this in half here and looked at it. That ends up being a square. We know that's a perfect square because of this little symbol in front of our dimension that indicates that this is a square or the part is square. We can throw that in front of a dimension and not have to put a second dimension on here. It's kind of nice. And in the questions in the homework, you're going to find some questions about a slot. That slot refers to a keyway. A lot of people refer to keyways as slots. Hope this video helps, and as always, please ask questions. Thanks for watching.